This is normal camera, and the resolution of my normal camera is my normal camera resolution is 1080 megapixel. And when I open this camera apps is a wonderful apps. Now click here and click here video setting. Here you can see enable video stabilization, and after that go to the bottom, and here you can see 4K UHD video, and after that coming in out, and when here you can give exposure log, focus log, and more others. And when I am recording a video, then you can see this is a 4 5 6 7 seconds video. When I am in the recording, you will see that. Now we see the detail of the video. You can see that the 7 seconds video is 35.8 MB. This is a 4K camera. Then you can again click here